Let's add Ken Burns effect to this still image. First of all, I have to increase my image length at least 8 to 10 seconds, and then select your clip, and under effect controls here under motion you'll find position and scale. Before doing anything here, make sure to put your playhead at the 0 seconds of your clip. Now enable position and scale toggle animation. After that, move your playhead forward and again add another keyframe for position and scale, and this time I'm going to zoom in this image 150%. Now select the position and double click on your image, and now you can easily go ahead and move your image just like this. And now let's play our timeline, and here as you can see a beautiful Ken Burns effect created. That's it.